The markets in the day mixed after hitting all-time record highs. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Monday, November 3rd, 2014. Down here in the right-hand corner, go to full screen, and right here, do the little gear to go to high definition. And taking a look here at the markets, you'll see that the S&P was down, Dow down, Russell's down, everybody down except for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ was up 0.18%. The Russell's, though, doing the worst today, down 0.28%. And that's my hedge, matter of fact. I am doing the bear ETF, 3 times inverse ETF on the Russell small caps. So that did exceptionally well for me today. I actually added more to that. Now I am definitely on the short side going into today's close. Banks down, VIX up 5%. So volatility index, the fear indicator, spiking higher. Gold off, silver off, everybody off. US dollar up 0.5%. Utilities though, check this out. Defensive sector up 0.7%. So you have a lot of people fleeing to a defensive sector, these utilities, and doesn't surprise us. After you have a monster run like this, nobody in their right mind would be buying long into this. So I have unloaded most of my longs. I still have some longs going just in case it wants to break through. However, I am now hedged and to the short side on the net, because I'm near a resistance point after an extraordinary long rally, and we have a doji for today. Matter of fact, the weekly chart, we have a doji, but we're stalling at the previous area that was a high. You can see this previous high, we made a new record high. We come back down, closing below that with the doji. Just would not surprise me, either this week or next, to get a nice red candlestick here and start to drop. Now, I want to take a quick look here at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ on Friday had a nice gap up. We just basically went sideways today, but we're making these all-time highs in the markets. As far as the Dow, let's take a look here at the Dow and the S&P. And the Russells popping up here, and I'm going to bring a line over to this high right there, and that puts us about to that resistance point. Yeah, so markets after a big run like this will need to retrace back. I see a nice sizable drop here fairly soon. We'll see if that actually comes to fruition. And BABA up 3.25%, up, high base, boom to the upside on some nice volume. Really nice to see BABA take off like that, but nothing compared to GoPro. GoPro popped up 9.36%, huge pop, good volume today, all is well in GoPro land. Twitter down 3%, just a travesty of a stock. I mean, we were up here at 56,000, now we're at 40. I mean, just a big hit. If you look at a weekly chart here, big drop in the last month or so. If you look here at a monthly chart, boom to the downside, big drop. So that is it, and this cat is going to Vegas in a couple of weeks, and probably a little late for you guys to jump in, but I am going to buy your plane ticket if you come out, if you do register for the 301 course, or for you Grok graduates that want to do the advanced class, love to have you come out. So you know what to do. Contact Carolina. Catch you guys later. This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.